For most folks, the 60-watt light bulb is a classic standard of household lighting, but if you want something brighter, you might be inclined to upgrade to a 100-watt bulb. The problem? Most of those 100-watt incandescents have long been phased out due to rising efficiency standards. That's why we have 100-watt replacement LEDs. They're way more efficient, but they haven't always come cheap. The last time I reviewed them was back in 2014, and back then, a single bulb would typically cost you at least 20 bucks. Thankfully, things are a lot less expensive these days. A dimmable 100-watt LED can be had for as little as $5, and thanks to the fact that they typically only use about 15 watts, they'll save you a lot of money in the long run. How much money? Well, each one will add about 2 bucks to your yearly energy bill on average. An old-fashioned 100-watt incandescent would add 12 bucks to your bill over the same stretch. 10 bucks in savings per bulb per year adds up fast. With that in mind, I hit the local lighting aisles and set out to test every 100-watt replacement LED I could find. Here are the ones I recommend you check out. For the best bang for your buck, head to Lowe's and look for the Utilitech 100-watt replacement LED. You get 2 bulbs for less than $10, and they're surprisingly good performers for the price. Utilitech's bulb was the most efficient one that I tested. It's plenty bright, and it did a nice job on dimmer switches too, dimming all the way down to an average minimum of 1% without any flicker. I did notice a slight hum when I dimmed it using modern dimming hardware, but it wasn't loud enough to be a deal breaker. If smooth dimming without any of that hum is essential, then I recommend upgrading to the Cree 100-watt replacement LED. It's more expensive at $13 per bulb, but it dimmed smoothly on every single switch I tested it on. No flicker, no buzz. You could also consider my dimming test runner-up, the Philips 100-watt replacement Warm Glow LED. It's almost as good as Cree's at dimming, and it has a longer lifespan to boot. If you want light bulbs that will help the colors in your home look more accurate and true, I like the 100-watt version of the GE Reveal Bright Stick LED, which sells in a 2-pack for about $15. It isn't as bright as I'd like, but it does a great job at making colors pop. You could also try out the Target store brand 100-watt replacement, which surprised me with its above-average color accuracy. One caveat though, neither of those picks are dimmable.